Hello, welcome to Eduxma demo. In this dashboard, we have to the left the links. The links available to you depends on your user type. To the center, we have the statistical panel. And to the right, we have user information and the blog post, which you can click and read here. The statistical panel doesn't display any information yet because we don't have students added. So the admin will need to perform certain functions at the beginning of this. You can also switch between the dark mode and the light mode by clicking on this. By default, academic session has been created. Next, the admin needs to add class. So go to create class and here type in the class. Here select the department or the category, junior secondary. Click submit. Create the next class. Once you are done, you can return to dashboard. Now that the classes are created, you can create or add subject. Click add subject and it takes you here. So let's add the subject, English language. Select the section. Let's say nursery, primary rather. Then create subject. Go on and add. Ensure you add the subject for each of the categories: KG, nursery, primary, junior secondary, and senior secondary school. And once you are done, click the exit button. Next, the admin add department. Click here, add department. Then here we can add our department. Add. Click create. That's added. Science. Department added. Next, the admin add clubs. Click add club. And here, add your club. Coding. Create. Mathematics club. Create. Once that is done, we can go ahead in admitting student. To prepare calendar, click on prepare calendar. And here you have the term, first, second, third. Academic session, which we have already created. Enter the week 1. Enter the month. September. September 5th. A week ending. September 9th. Any comment if there is. Then if not, add event, added. Then you can go on week 2, first term. And when done, you can return by clicking on exit. That's done. We can check to see the calendar we have just added. Go to school calendar, and here we can see the 2 items that we have just added. So if we add for all the weeks, we can see the whole calendar here. Also, to admin student, under admission, go to admin student, and then we fill the form, name, and all the details. Here we have former class. That is the class the child previously passed. And this class admitted is the class that we are admitting the student into. And here we need to select the category. The student is admitted into SS3. The category is senior secondary. Now, the student determines the department, either science, arts, or commercial. So, this student is in science department. Parent name, no title. Parent name here, you can see. Last name, Donald. Here, that will be Donald. And then the club, the student is in coding club. And we can go ahead and select the student's profile image. Now we are selected. Let's ensure that everything is correct. Like now, I misspelled this name, so I have to retype. I think everything is okay. Then we can go to admit. That student is admitted. So we can go ahead and register a new student. And when we are done, we return to dashboard. Let's check if that student is already admitted and we have it in the class. So for us to do that, we will navigate to student, go to check class, select the class, SS3, go to search. Now we have the students that we have just admitted. We can also edit the information, go to edit. And here we have all the information about the students, which we can also make modification, and then we can save. The student admission number is 001, being the first student admitted. So we can save. Now we can see that we now have this data being returned here. Student gender distribution. We only have just one male student right here. So right here, let's say we want to submit examination question. Here we can do submit exam question. Click here. And right here, I need to select the subjects based on the subject that we have. ICT. Select the class, SS3. And we can type in what we have. So let's upload the note. So here, click on it. And here I have ICT 3 PDF question for SS3. So let's select the right question. Here I have the question selected as SS3. And now I ensure that everything I'm sending is for that class. And let's go to upload question. Now that is uploaded. For us to check, let's go to download question. And here we have the question here. You can only see your question. You can't see any other student or teacher's question. For you to have access to it, maybe you want to check, go to download question. And that is downloaded right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, here we have the question. So we have the question right here. Open up.